Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a £100 Zara challenge. So I challenged myself to only spend £100 at Zara. So I shopped in the special price range that they're currently having. And yeah, it actually went pretty well. So I hope that you enjoy the items that I picked up. If you like the look that I'm wearing, do you like the skirt? Isn't it gorgeous? Beautiful white polka dot skirt. Got it from Rival Closet, so I'll put a link to that. And the vest that I'm wearing, I actually got it from Primark years ago, but I don't wear it very regularly. But yeah, I hope you like this piece. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I would love to see more of you. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. So the first item that I got from Zara was this beautiful little bag. Let me get up nice and close. So you've got this kind of pearl design, the black pearls at the top. And then you've got that kind of basket case material in a dark brown. So to open it up, you've got a little bit of leather. You just turn the hook and then you pop this open. And then that's the size inside. Hope you can have a good look. And they say this is a size medium. I would probably say, what could you fit in here? Oh, I have baby wipes. So if I put my baby wipes in here, you could just about squeeze a pack of baby wipes in there. And can you see, you still got a little bit of room in the back. So kind of a fairly sized bag. Now, it says here that the bag was $19.99, but let me just check my phone. Okay, so that is correct. The bag is $19.99. I'm not sure the price what it used to be before, but yeah, a really cute summer bag. And it works really nice with this little outfit of mine. Don't you think? It looks really cute, very nice and summery. So next up was this really nice white top that I got from Zara. So I love the button detail all the way down. And then you've got like a nice high neck. Let me put the camera up. The camera should be a bit higher. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. So you can see the top a bit better. I got it in a size small. Just a nice basic white top. Not sure if I would wear it with this. I think you could just about get away with it. Yeah, I think it's doable. So the top was a size small and it's only $19.99. So it's a nice light knit. I think it's perfect for this weather where it's not quite summer, but you can wear kind of lighter material. So a great top. You could dress it up with like the skirt. This is like a nice little look. If you don't want to wear a vest, or you could dress it down with some jeans, and you can like wear it to work with some nice trousers, like some black trousers. So it's very nice and versatile. So I think you can get a lot of wear and use for $19.99. Sorry, not even $19.99. It's $9.99. It's basically tenner. So yeah, really, really nice top. I'll show you the back as well. I think it's definitely worth the money. Okay, so next up was this simple black bodycon dress. Only $9.99. Great quality. So it is a great pick. If you get this, it's amazing. Like, you can't see. It's not see-through at all. And the quality of the fabric is great. Really great price. Great little summer dress. I paired it up with this belt bag. I got it in a size medium. That's why it's super loose on me. But the good thing about belt bags is that you can always make extra holes. So if it is out of stock in your size, just get the size that is in stock. Like if it's one size up, just get it because you can always make another hole. So that's how it would look like on. So it's a nice little bag if you're out in summertime where you don't want to carry too many items. You just want to carry maybe your phone and your bank card or some coins. Not everyone wants to wear a purse and you always want to hold it around and wear it around. I think that's kind of cute and very versatile. You can wear it on the side, you can wear it in the middle, you know, you can pick what you want to do. The bag is also $9.99, so the whole look is for £20. And for Zara, the dress, I have to say, the dress is a keeper. Like, it is great quality material, definitely gorgeous. Let me show you the back of that dress as well. Yeah. Oh, and the belt bag, do you want to see like how big it is? So in the inside, let's take this out. That's the inside of the belt bag. Yeah, and then you've kind of got this little foldy bit in the front here that you may want to keep like little cards. I would not put your bank card in there. I would put the bank card in the zip one, but you can keep like other cards that you may receive in there. So next up from Zara was a spicy red bodycon dress. I just thought something different because I generally get black, white or brown bodycons. I don't generally look for other colours. Have to say, not in love with this, having a look and feel of it. It just feels a bit baggy. It's super soft though, but I wish it was just a bit tighter on me. Can you see? Just wish it was a bit more tighter really. You know, I want to show off my curves. I want to work hard for that summer body, so I wanted my curves to be showing off. I got this in a size small and it's $9.99. If this is in a size extra small, it would be perfect, but the smaller size is a small. It's got some cute little mini no, they're not third. They're not called third sleeves. No, they're just called short sleeves, alright? Yeah, but it's a cute little dress. So I'm 5'3" and this just goes below my well, actually goes kind of below my knees. It's a very nice long dress. If you like the colour, I will definitely give it a try. Have a, you know, purchase it or go into a fitting room and try it on yourself. You may like the fit. I personally just want it to be a bit more tighter, body figure, hugging, just because, you know, that's what the young girls like these days. Next up was a cute little summery daisy flower dress. Do you see those like little daisies? Aren't they just so gorgeous? A cute little like tea dress. Really, really lovely. The only thing I don't like about the dress is that the shoulders are really loose. If you can see at the back, the material isn't really nice and tight. I don't know if there's any way to make it tighter, but that is a bit annoying. But I think I could probably live with it. I like the dress. It's got buttons all the way down, but with the access is that the first button doesn't come off. I think the rest of the buttons do, but you can't actually take off the buttons. Oh, yeah, you can't take off the buttons. They're just there for show and tell, really. They serve no other purpose than looking good. But nice little dress. Nice for someone that likes black, you know, because sometimes you don't want to wear white or pink. You just want to be a bit more dark and, yeah, just a bit more casual. So yeah, I think it's going to be returned for me because the arms are a bit too loose. Do try it on for yourself and see if you are happy with them. I got this dress in a size... Oh, let's find the tag. The tag is in a really awkward place. Let's see if I can like bring it up. Okay, I've managed. I got this in a size extra small and it's $17.99. Okay, next up was something bright and vibrant. Really, really gorgeous, but really tight. This is the first time I've had something that's an extra small that's been like tight around the hips from Zara. So definitely do size up. I usually get a size extra small in everything that I buy from Zara. But this time it was too tight. Can you see? Wow. So size up to a size small. Just a reference, I'm a UK size 8 in everything. Sometimes a 10 around the hips, but generally I am an 8. I love the print and the colour. It's so cute. Look at the ends of those sleeves as well. I have the little cut and then you've got the little diamonds at the ends. Really cute. And in the front as well, you've got the diamonds. Very, very beautiful. I like this dress. So size extra small and $17.99. Yeah, nice little piece. Show you the back as well. But a nice little number, hey?